Hey, what's up guys, my name is Jamie, we're back in another video. Hey, what's up guys, how's it going? So, today's a new vlog. Yes, you might notice, I got a new haircut. I just got a haircut the other day. I didn't really like it, so I got another haircut, and here it is. This one actually looks a lot better. They actually cut the top just a little bit, and then they like actually faded it the way I wanted them to. And yeah, so now let's go on to our day. We kind of just went, we got a haircut, and then we went to Target, and that's pretty much it. And now we're going to Goodwill and Hy-Vee. So yeah, let's go. Hey guys, so this is the things I found. We're in Goodwill right now. I found these pants, and it's from right here, from Ben Hogton. That's it, right? Ben Hogton. This is yeah, it's cute.
I just feel like it's weird to spin up other people's vaginas.
Okay.
I don't think that's weird.
I think it's weird. And then this shirt. I'm not a Broncos fan, but Allison's dad is. And Allison's dad gave Allison a Broncos shirt because it didn't fit him and it fits her. And I think I should get a Broncos shirt. I feel like that'd be a funny video too, is we both wear our Broncos shirts in there and see his reaction. Because he likes the Broncos. I'm not a big football fan at all, so I'll just wear the Broncos for him, and why not? And today it's 50% off pink, so it literally worked out perfectly. So this is only gonna be like $1 or $2. This shirt is, so yeah. And these pants are probably gonna be like $4, I think, and they fit, so I like it. So yeah, that's what I found. Allison's looking. She found nothing right now, but hey, you found stuff the other day.
I was crushing.
Oh sure. All right, guys. So I think we're getting out of here now.
Can I show them my outfit today?
Okay.
This is my outfit today. I got you. Hey, all movies are $1.
All movies are $1.
We don't have a DVD player.
Yeah, we don't have a DVD player.
Hey, I was looking at this fridge and this guy walked past and said, it works. I promise you it works. And I was like, it is nice though, look.
Yeah, that is a nice fridge.
We don't need a fridge.
Yeah, we don't need a fridge, but for 20 bucks, yeah, that's pretty good.
Hey, brother.
Hey. I love my hair.
Really good energy.
Oh yeah, that guy who's been like loving everyone. He's a really good worker. All right, we just got out of Goodwill. Now we are going to Hy-Vee really quick to go buy some stuff. Well, we're looking around, you know. We're just in a very great mood today, and I want to say something really quick. Have you guys ever watched Shaytards? If you haven't, you need to. I don't know why you haven't. I've been watching them for years, and the one thing I really love about them is what they say is, like, the last video he made is happiness is a choice. Like, you can choose to be happy today, you can choose not to be, and that's totally true, because like literally, like when I sit down at home, I'm just so bored, you know, and obviously it's me just wanting to be bored, but when I come out, right when I step outside my house, I'm just smiling, I'm just happy. I choose to be happy because like I'm out in the sun, and just coming out, like we're probably not gonna buy anything here at Hy-Vee, but just coming here, they're just like very happy, you know, and that's just we're just happy. Are you happy?
I'm happy for some happiness.
I told them, like, we're at home and like we're just not happy, then we just come outside the house for 1 second and we're just always happy. It's crazy, guys. You're looking for stuff? Oh, $4 for it? I think that's really good.
8-pack of Powerade for $4.
Yeah.
50 cents a power.
Yeah, that's really good.
$25 plan sale.
$25. But yeah, like that's what I said. I mean, and it's just like we could be negative right now and be so unhappy because we're very cheapskates, so we have a pretty good amount of money. Obviously, we've been off work for a month now. And what? No, no. And we could be sad and try to look for jobs, but we have not even tried to look for jobs. And it's because, you know, we're just trying to be happy. We're just trying to live happy. Like, you can get a job, you can get money, but is that going to make you happy? You got to live a little bit. You got to stop caring about things and just be happy. Like, it's crazy, you know? We can finally be happy. Actually, Allison's friend, and you can tell that place is so toxic. That one friend texted us and was like, you know, you've been gone for a whole month, and they are still talking crap about you guys, and like, just talking about us, you know, whether it's crap or not crap, they're still talking about us, they're still obsessed with us. And your friend was like, just think of it like you guys are famous because you've been gone for a month and they're still talking about you, whether it's negative or not negative.
Crazy.
And that's so funny because like I have not said any of their guys' names. I kind of forget their names. because like we've been gone for a month, you know, we're just trying to be happy, trying to get the toxic out of us. Yeah, like this haircut is just giving me pumping. Like just getting a fresh haircut just makes me alive. And I need a shave, but yeah. Now we're gonna look for some stuff. See you guys later. So we were looking at some drinks. I got some drinks right here. We got 1, 2, 3, 4. They're all different kind of lemonade ices, like sparkling ice. This one's kiwi strawberry lemonade. Then we got like strawberry lemonade. Then we got like orange. What is this? The other strawberry lemonade. I don't know why this is orange, but I'm just gonna...
This is kiwi strawberry. That's berry lemonade, and then this is
strawberry watermelon.
Jesus,
Okay.
you like strawberry?
Yeah.
Okay, so I need to get all the light ones.
And then Allison wants to get some
I'll get this one.
body armor, which we just had some in the car too, because we got some at Target. We went to Target and got some.
I'll get this one.
But they're on sale here, so we're gonna get some here as well.
Any more light options?
We're making it. I'm the cameraman. You gotta hide. You gotta hold it by yourself, girl.
I got it.
Any more light options?
Because I don't think I want that one. I don't want peach mango.
All right, guys, we are back home, and I'm gonna try on this outfit. So I got these outfits both from Goodwill, $6 for a shirt and pants. That is amazing because this shirt I actually found in the dumpster. Yeah, I found this in the dumpster. Yeah, look how cool this shirt is. Hey, how cool is that? Like, and I found it in the freaking dumpster. So yeah, I got this shirt for free. I love living on the cheap side because it's like, look, this is a nice shirt. Probably definitely worth like $10, $11, $12 for just a shirt, but I got it for free. These pants I did buy at TJ Maxx. Probably $10 for these pants, but I got pants and shirt for literally $6. That is crazy. Yep, and that's the brand. This is 30. It's a 30. I wear 30s. Yeah, there you go. I wear a 30. I'm gonna try these on with this because the dressing room was closed, so I hope it actually fits me. I usually wear a small, but this up here is a medium, but pink was 50% off, and Allison's dad loves Broncos, so I thought, why not get a Broncos shirt? Maybe he'll love me a little bit more, you feel me? All right, I'm gonna try it on now. You ready? 3, 2, 1. Hey, here it is. Hey, look at this. Hey, 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 hey. All right, so this is the shirt. Shirt to medium, I usually wear a small, so it is, like, it feels good, but it is, like, lengthy-wise. I'm a really small guy. I'm 5 foot. So lengthy-wise, like, this is where, so this is where my pants start. You know, my belly button's right there. So this is right underneath my belly button, so all this length. But I feel like this is normal length. You know, I always can tuck it in, and here is my shorts. They're perfect. A little underneath the knees. Every pants I wear are always a little like baggier because I'm a small guy, but I like it. I mean, they work. I like it.
You look like your dad.
Really?
Yeah.
What about my butt in it?
Oh!
Really?
Not that one.
What about this?
Non-existent.
What about this? Oh yeah, this. Oh,
Cockroach!
hell
Cockroach!
no, don't do that. Boom. But yeah, this is it. I like them. They're aight. They're aight. I usually don't wear button pants. I usually wear, you know, these kind of pants that are stretchy with strings, but you know, gotta get out of my comfort zone a bit. So yeah, that's it, and catch you guys when we do something today. All right, guys. So right now we're just having. Oh, let it zoom in. All right, yeah, we're having macaroni salad and potato salad, just a little snack right there. Macaroni and potato salad. Also, is it just me or does everyone, wait, let me get focused. Is it just me or does everyone's girlfriend leave their dentures on the side of the couch? Comment that down below. Is it just me or is it everyone's? Allison, what's your dentures doing right there? Goofy. Here you go.
Okay. Thank you.
Hey guys, so look at this. Hey, look at this. So what this is, we actually got this at Goodwill Outlet like 3 months ago. I've actually never used it till now, because now I've been trimming up my beard. Just down here a bit, if you can see. Right there. Does that look straight? I've just been trying to touch it up. Hopefully that looks pretty straight. But yeah, this thing's pretty cool. I got it at Goodwill Outlet, and it was like a couple cents, because Goodwill Outlet is about like the pounds is how much money it is. It's not just like, this is $5. No, it's about how heavy what this was, and this is what it was in. It's pretty cool. Pretty cool. I like this. All right, I'm making spaghetti now. Alright, spaghetti is done. There it is, and I'm gonna plate it for us now.
Oh my god, my whole hand just went in my tea.
There it is. Spaghetti, eh? Here is my spaghetti. Oh, yum. Alright, guys. Got my pasta. This shit is fire. Oh yeah. Hey guys, look what I found on the side of the curb.
You weren't even there. I literally just got it.
Hey, I found it, not you.
You didn't even, you were in the bed.
No, I found it. It was all me. No. I also found this outside. Look how cool this thing is. So it rolls. You see that? And then look. These are literally chairs to sit down. And now look. That's so cool. And then you literally just put the chair back when you're done. And then these. There's one on each side. And then on the back, this comes up. And turns into a full table. How cool is this? This is like the coolest thing I've ever seen in my life. That's pretty cool, guys. Look at it. Hey. That's pretty cool. This is what we usually use, but we don't even use it that often anymore. And look how big that is. Because we don't use it that often because we have these now. And we just sit by the couch. But sometimes I do sit over there, but I like the smaller one because it doesn't take up as much room, you know? It's pretty cool.